Okay, here is a quick review of the hip of Kayra because I was assembling the legs into the hip and wanted to build up Kayra again. And I'm noticing that there is a lot of things that I'm angry about by myself because it's my design. And I just wanted to walk you through how to not build stuff that is maintainable or not maintainable for this matter. And so let's dive right into this. This is the hip of Kayra basically, and it consists of four parts. That's the front part, that's the back part. They are identical, which is what I like because you print two pieces and you design just one, and that's it. That's good. The second thing is the left and the right part. They are different but mirrored. Um, this is what I like. We are printing it on this side here, so it's basically printing up like this, which is okay, but it has the problem that once you want to unscrew these servos, you have to get to these nuts here, and these nuts are a disaster because you barely can't grab them here. And so that's a problem. And I thought, okay, let's build out the rotation servo out, and then we can get easier to these nuts. And then you notice that if you want to do this, you basically have to unscrew these, which is the hen and egg problem here. But fortunately, you can push it out like so, which is kind of okay. So that was okay. But to easily unscrew these screws for this servo here, you want to get basically to this part here, and this part is covered by the upper chest of Kayra, and so it's not easy to get to these screws. So what I said is I need to unscrew basically the servo horn here, and that's another disaster because that's covered by the battery, and so you have to unscrew the battery to get to the horn of the chest servo to basically get the servo out. So that's really not a really nice design. And basically I hate screws because screws always need two hands, etc. And these are the only parts of Kayra where I am using screws, and that's a disaster. So unfortunately, I will go back to the design bench and redesign this part here, maybe to add some plastic here or a middle part that you just push in. I don't know. Second thing is while we are trying to improve that we want to add the cable management somehow. So the cables somehow need to get out here because on this side, on the back of Kayra, there is the servo controller board. And so maybe I'll also change a little bit of here to get the cables threaded better to the back of Kayra. Let's see. So that was not the best design. It was quick and it's kind of holding. That's okay, but it's really not something that I'm happy with. And so whenever you have some suggestions how to improve the design, because certainly I don't want to have four or even six parts for one piece of body, so the hip. I want to reduce the numbers to be printed. Basically, that would be cool. And so, should you have some suggestions, it would be fantastic if you leave it in the comments. Thanks very much.